Hello, everyone. In today's adventure, join Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay as we journey into the heart of the Enchanted Garden. As we wander, we will discover new and fascinating words and expressions that will enrich your vocabulary. It's a fantastic chance for you to enhance your English listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully. Our adventure begins with Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay discovering an old, dusty book in their attic titled The Enchanting Gardens. As they flip through its pages, a map falls out, glowing with an ethereal light. The map leads to a hidden realm. Eager for a new adventure, the family decides to explore these magical gardens. "This way, explorers. The map leads us through these woods," says Mama.
"Look at all these colors. It's like walking into a painting."
With each step, the map reveals its secrets, guiding our adventurers to a hidden entrance covered in ivy. What lies beyond, only the bravest hearts can discover. Here it is, the gateway to our adventure. "Are you ready, Mimi and Zay Zay?" says Mama. "We are ready," say Mimi and Zay Zay. As they step through the ancient stone archway, a world unlike any other unfolds before them. The Enchanting Gardens, a realm where each leaf and petal holds a story, welcomes them with open arms. Listen, do you hear that? It's like the trees are talking to us. "What are they saying?" asks Zay Zay. "They're sharing their stories, tales from long ago. Let's listen and imagine the worlds they describe." Under the whispering willows, Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay discover the magic of storytelling, where every whisper holds a new adventure. And as they listen, their imagination takes flight, painting pictures of heroic deeds and enchanted lands. With hearts light and spirits high, our adventurers venture deeper into the Enchanting Gardens. Their path leads them to a mesmerizing field where the melody blossoms sing songs of old, each note a lesson in the magic of language. These flowers can teach us the dance of words. Listen to their songs. "In the morning, I bloomed, greeting the sun. By noon, I danced in the breeze, just for fun. As evening came, I sighed, my day almost done. Under the moon, I closed, my song sung." Their song tells a story, just like us. In the company of the melody blossoms, Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay discovered the rhythm of words, the melody of grammar, and the harmony of expressing themselves. Their journey through the Enchanting Gardens became not just an adventure, but a chorus of learning and joy. Guided by the harmonious lessons of the melody blossoms, our intrepid explorers step into a new chapter of their adventure. A majestic rose garden unfolds before them, each bloom a guardian of secrets and a bearer of riddles. Each rose here holds a riddle, a key to deeper understanding and the path forward, says Mama.
"I am the opposite of weak, proud, and not meek. What am I?"
"That's a riddle. We need to find the answer."
"Is it strong?"
"I think it's the right answer, Mimi." Good job. With each riddle solved and path uncovered, Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay find themselves drawing closer to the garden's secret core. What awaits is a place of unmatched tranquility and wisdom, the very heart of the Enchanting Gardens. We've made it. This is what the garden wanted to share with us. It's like a dream. Everything here lives in perfect balance. Look, the animals are talking to the flowers. In the heart of the Enchanting Gardens, Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay uncover the greatest treasure of all, knowledge. They learn that every creature, every plant has its place and purpose, and in this harmony, there's wisdom to be found. As the sun begins to set on the enchanting gardens, casting a golden glow over the magical glade, our adventurers prepare to return to the world they know, carrying with them treasures far greater than gold. Home again, Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay find themselves rich in knowledge and joy. The enchanting gardens, with its riddles, songs, and stories, taught them the language of nature, the music of words, and the value of curiosity. Every adventure brings its own lessons. What we've learned here will stay with us, guiding us on our next journey. And so, as we close the book on this chapter, remember that the world is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, keep learning, and above all, treasure the journey of knowledge. Build vocabulary. Understanding the meanings of words is essential for mastering a new language. As we expand vocabulary, the comprehension of spoken and written language improves, enhancing our ability to express ourselves through speaking and writing. Let's learn some new words from our story. Tranquility, noun. Meaning, a state of peace and calm. Example, after a hectic week, the tranquility of the lakeside cottage provided the perfect escape for relaxation. Intrepid, adjective. Meaning, fearless, adventurous. Example, the intrepid kitten ventured into the vast backyard, undeterred by the new sights and sounds. Mesmerizing, adjective. Meaning, captivating or spellbinding. Example, the dancer's mesmerizing performance held the audience spellbound, earning her a standing ovation. Guardian, noun. Meaning, one who protects or watches over something. Example, as the eldest sibling, he always considered himself the guardian of his brothers and sisters, ensuring they were safe and happy. Unmatched, adjective. Meaning, having no equal, superior. Example, the unmatched beauty of the sunrise over the mountains made getting up early well worth it. Wisdom, noun. Meaning, the quality of having experience, knowledge, and good judgment. Example, her grandmother's wisdom, gathered over many years, was like a guiding light during difficult times. Serene, adjective. Meaning, calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Example, the serene expression on the meditating monk's face reflected his inner peace. Enchantment, noun. Meaning, a feeling of great pleasure, delight, or the state of being under a spell. Magic. Example, walking through the ancient forest felt like an enchantment, with every step unveiling more of its hidden wonders. Creative writing prompt. Using the words and grammar we've discovered, describe your ideal magical garden. What creatures live there? What does it look like? Share your magical garden with us, and we will share it with the world in our next video. Keep learning new words and enhance your speaking and writing skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.